Welcome to Clever Mum. Today, we're diving into 5 must-have freezer meals every mum or anyone with a packed schedule should have on hand. These freezer meals aren't just about convenience. They're about saving time, staying on budget, and serving up nutritious, delicious food your family will love. Let's break down each recipe step by step, along with tips and tricks to make these meals both easy to prepare and store successfully. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a beginner in the kitchen, these recipes offer practical solutions for busy, unpredictable days. 1. Lasagna, a comfort food classic. We're starting with a family favorite, lasagna. It's hearty, satisfying, and incredibly easy to prepare in bulk. Assemble your lasagna in a disposable aluminum pan or a freezer-safe baking dish. Layer noodles, marinara sauce, creamy ricotta cheese, and melted mozzarella. Don't forget to sprinkle in your favorite veggies or cooked ground beef for extra flavor. Once assembled, cover it tightly with plastic wrap and aluminum foil to prevent freezer burn. When you're ready to serve, just transfer the lasagna from the freezer to the oven and bake at 325 degrees until it's bubbly and golden. No need to thaw, though you'll need to adjust the cooking time if baking straight from frozen. Pro tip: label your pan with the cooking instructions and date before freezing for convenience. Why it's a lifesaver. Lasagna is perfect for busy evenings or when you want to impress guests with minimal effort. This meal freezes incredibly well, and leftovers are just as delicious. 2. Soup, endless versatility in a bowl. From chicken noodle to hearty lentil and vegetable soups, freezer-friendly soups are another essential. Preparing soup in large batches is super cost-effective, and you can pack a variety of nutritious ingredients into one pot. Ladle your soup into individual freezer-safe containers or silicone freezer bags. Make sure to leave about an inch of headspace to accommodate the expansion when it freezes. With pre-portioned servings, it's simple to grab just the right amount for a quick lunch or dinner. To reheat, just warm up your portion over the stove or in the microwave. Pro tip: freeze soup lying flat in bags to save space in your freezer. Why it's a lifesaver. Freezer soups are incredibly versatile and adaptable to dietary needs. Plus, on cold, busy nights, there's nothing better than a warm bowl of ready-made comfort. 3. Kid-friendly chicken nuggets. Healthier, homemade alternative. Store-bought chicken nuggets can be tasty, but making your own at home lets you control the ingredients, eliminating excessive additives and preservatives. Here's how. Start with small chunks of raw chicken breast. Coat them in flour, dip them in beaten eggs, and roll them in breadcrumbs mixed with Parmesan cheese and seasonings. Line them up on a baking sheet and freeze until solid. Once frozen, pop the nuggets into a zip-top bag, removing as much air as possible before sealing. When you're ready to cook, you can bake them straight from frozen at 400 degrees for 20 to 25 minutes. They come out crispy, tender, and way healthier than their store-bought counterparts. Why it's a lifesaver, ideal for picky eaters and quick dinners. Enjoy the peace of mind of knowing what's in your kids' meals. Let's move on to our final freezer-friendly ideas and some essential tips to tie it all together. Freezer burritos are an absolute game changer. They check all the boxes for portability, nutrition, and ease of prep. To make these, start with large tortillas and fill them with a mix of beans, cooked rice, shredded cheese, and sautéed vegetables. You can also add protein like grilled chicken, ground beef, or tofu for a filling and hearty meal. Once filled, wrap each burrito tightly in foil and store them in a large freezer bag. To reheat, simply unwrap the burrito and microwave it for 1 to 2 minutes, or bake it in the oven at 350 degrees until heated through. Pro tip: avoid adding wet ingredients like salsa or guacamole before freezing. Add those after reheating to ensure the perfect texture and flavor. Why it's a lifesaver, you may ask? Burritos are perfect for on-the-go lunches and quick late-night dinners. They pack protein, fiber, and carbs into one satisfying bite, making them a super convenient option for busy days. Let's not forget muffins. Sweet or savory, they're fantastic freezer treats for any time of day. Bake a batch of banana, blueberry, or even savory zucchini muffins, then freeze them for later. Once they've cooled, arrange them in a single layer inside a freezer bag, squeezing out as much air as possible before sealing. When needed, just let them thaw at room temperature or pop them in the microwave for 20 to 30 seconds. Pro tip: enhance their nutritional value by adding oats, flaxseed, or nuts to your muffin batter. Why it's a lifesaver once again. Muffins are a grab-and-go breakfast, a quick snack, or even a light dessert. Having them pre-made in the freezer saves you those precious morning minutes while still giving you something homemade and satisfying. Now that you have these 5 incredible meal options in your freezer-friendly toolkit, let's wrap up with a few bonus tips that will elevate your meal prepping game. 1. Labels are your best friend. Always label the contents, date, and reheating instructions on every container. Trust me, your future self will thank you for helping cut down on any confusion. 2. Portion control. Freezing things in individual portions gives you more flexibility, helps reduce waste, and ensures meals are just the right size for what you need. 3. Invest in freezer-grade storage. Whether you use freezer bags or high-quality airtight containers, good packaging is the key to avoiding dreaded freezer burn. 4. Don't overload your freezer. Keep your freezer organized and leave space for air circulation so it functions optimally. A well-organized freezer is a huge step towards stress-free mealtime prep. Preparing meals like these ahead of time might take some effort up front, but the payoff is incredible. You'll save time, improve nutrition, and reduce the stress of daily cooking, all while keeping your budget in check. In fact, these meals aren't just about efficiency, they're about giving you more freedom to do what really matters, like spending quality time with your family. Bonus challenge. What's the first freezer meal you're excited to try from this list? Or do you have a go-to favorite that wasn't mentioned here? Leave a comment below or share a photo of your meal prep with the hashtag #FreezerMealChallenge. Clever Mum would love to see your creations. And who knows, your idea might inspire someone else in our community to try freezer meal prep for the first time.